Looking to declutter in the new year? Organize under your kitchen sink in no time with these brilliant tricks. Begin by emptying everything out. Then clean the inside and doors of the cabinet. I found this roll-out metal shelf at Home Depot that was easy to install. Just screw the base in place and add your shelf. This will roll out, making things so much easier. Next, grab a tension rod and weave the rod into 2 bin handles to create an easy access to rags and sponges. Begin replacing your bigger items using clear plastic bins for easy access. Add a Lazy Susan to quickly grab cleaning supplies when needed. Next, fill up your shelf with cleaning supplies, Brillo pads, and Swiffer pads, anything left over. Finally, add a magazine holder for foil plastic wrap in your trash bags. Place it in the cabinet, and you're all organized. Have some other cabinets that need some organizing help? Grab a dollar store bin and a cooling rack and place Tupperware lids in the grooves. This will make it so much easier to access them. Add a command hook in your cabinets to hold oven mitts and pot holders. Add a thinner command hook for cooling racks and grease catchers. Add 2 command hooks under your sink. Loop a piece of string inside your paper towel roll and tie it up for easy access. You can also use the hooks for extra bag storage. Add a small command hook to your Tupperware for extra measuring spoon storage. Add 2 command hooks to your fridge to hold your foil. This will make it so much easier when cooking or baking. Grab a cooling rack and bend it into a U shape. Add 2 command hooks to the wall and hook on the bent cooling rack. Add your spices to declutter your cabinet above your stove. I hope this inspires you to get organized this year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.
Hey YouTube, to never miss another Home Talk video, click here to subscribe. And for inspiration for your next DIY project, click here.